Detroit's mayor says the crush of COVID cases we're fighting now can be traced to Michigan's thumb, where the rate of positive results is nearly 30% in some areas.
7 investigator Ross Jones is in Sandusky, Michigan tonight, where he tells us it's easy to see that some have given up on fighting the virus. Ross.
Here in Sanilac County, they are on fire with COVID-19. 1 out of every 3 people tested for the virus has it. What we're going through today, it started here.
The hot spot started in our area in the tip of the thumb.
If you want to know where we're headed with COVID-19, Mayor Mike DUGGAN says just look north. The surge that's filling up our hospital beds first started in the thumb.
It is going to get worse. There is no doubt that that wave is going to continue to spread down into our city, and we have got to protect ourselves.
Dr. Mark Hammett is the medical director for Sanilac County and 7 others in this region.
It's a matter of calling every facility, seeing if they have beds available, being put on a list.
The few ICU beds they have up here are full, so finding a place to put seriously ill patients can literally take all day.
I was on a shift Monday, and it took me about 17 hours to transfer 1 patient down to one of the Metro Detroit hospitals, and I tried literally a 100-mile radius.
Up here in Sandusky, there are signs that some have given up fighting the virus. Literally. This one posted outside a restaurant says if you aren't wearing a mask, we'll assume you have a medical condition. Come inside.
I'm a cashier at Walmart, and they don't really... Some people come through with masks, some people don't.
BRENNAN Osborne works in town. His mom, sister, and grandparents have already been vaccinated, but he hasn't been. He says he wants to wait.
I just think it's new. That's my opinion on it. It's too new.
Vaccine hesitancy is very real here. 28% of people in Sanilac County have received at least 1 dose already. Compare that to Oakland, where more than 40% have. We talked to barber Mark HEBERLING as he gave a haircut without a mask and with no plans to get the vaccine.
Why would I with an unproved whatever? They haven't proved that this stuff works one bit.
Of course, the vaccines have been studied and proven extremely effective at preventing infection and severe disease. But convincing people of that could be easier said than done.
And I think it's going to get worse over the next week or 2, unfortunately.
Dr. Hammett said vaccine hesitancy seemed to be moving in the right direction until the Johnson & Johnson vaccine was paused. He says he will still try to convince his patients to get the vaccine. We're in Sandusky tonight. I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.
And as Ross